Hello dear students, CA Deepti Chheda here. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Can you hear some voices? That's the school next and they're celebrating this Children's Day with their teachers and students and all. So I thought I also want to talk with all of you. Preparing super well for your exams. But are you taking quality good break? Some munches are required for mind, don't you think? That's what I thought I'll discuss with you. You're seeing where I'm sitting? This is my hobby, my relaxation time with my garden, with my all flowers around. I feel good. Are you taking a quality good break? A good quality relaxed nap by keeping your phone aside, or taking a round outside, or drawing something. There are so many students. CA सिर्फ पढ़ते नहीं हैं. Pranati is one of our student who makes superb those bookmarks and like that. Or so many कुछ नहीं लगे तो just switch on the music, some very energetic lively music for 10-15 minutes and shake, move your legs, hands. So I'm seeing one thing, that's why I'm talking right now with all of you, that there is a restlessness when the students are studying one subject, they are jumping in the videos also. तो ऐसे मत करो. जब पढ़ रहे हो तो बहुत अच्छा क्वालिटी गुड पढ़ो, रिलैक्स होके पढ़ो and talk to yourself that you're doing super amazingly well. You all are doing, right or not? Exactly, it is relax. When you relax and study, the old formula only applies. So wish you all the very best to you. I thought I'll give you some munches for mind. जो कर रहे हो आराम से करो and be very positive in your language. Okay, you are comfortable with accounts and tax. मैम मैं जितनी थ्योरी याद करती हूँ मुझे याद रहेगी. I will be able to recollect all the theory before exam and I will do super well in my exam. I'm already writing the exam 3 hours paper and I'm able to get everything. So just see, if you use strength, smile, focus, these positive words, you will do amazingly well. Yes? So any one person in the house is also positive. The whole, you always say how you are so enthusiastic and so energetic, ma'am. Then this is the secret, dear students. Teachers can just remind you, but that motivation will come from inside. कभी कभी मोटिवेशन अप होता है, डाउन जाता है, तो देन अगेन रिमाइंड योर सेल्फ नो दैट व्हाट इज़ माई गोल, व्हाई डू आई वांट टू डू CA, where do I want to see myself after 5 years, and then come back and visualize CA Deepti Chheda. Write that word CA in front and see that you are getting a degree from the institute and now you are moving forward to your jobs or practice or whatever. So you visualize, you say positive language, be positive. कभी गए motivation down हुआ, no problem. Most important is to bounce back, and you all are doing amazingly well with your articleship and all. You worked so well already. Now it is that you have got leave, you are at home. So quality study करो. अच्छा जो पढ़ रहे हो उसमें jump मत करो. Relax होके you do it and you will be able to do it properly, right? All the best to all of you. Bye bye.